Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can duplicate sheets in your Smartsheet account. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Smartsheet, and what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your workspace here on the left panel. Let me go with this one here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is take a look at that list here of your project Smartsheets or sheets and dashboards, or to sum that up, workspace items. So if you don't see these, guys, simply expand that list of workspace items. And here inside your workspace, guys, what you want to do is simply navigate to your sheet. And you don't even have to access it. All that will be needed to do, guys, is simply click into these three dots next to the given item, like that dashboard or that sheet, and to click into duplicate here. After that, this window will pop up for you, so here you can name or give your duplicated version of your sheet a new name, like for example number 2 or something like that. You may also select the folder here, for instance, by clicking into it and select a different folder. So let me go with this one here, click into OK, and confirm by clicking into a duplicate there. After that, the given sheet will be duplicated, as you can see. Now, guys, if I click into it, you will see that the content is basically the same. So these two sheets are basically the same. So if you'd like to delete the duplicate, click into these three dots and select delete and confirm by clicking into this button here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.